Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is DBMS module 5. We have already uploaded 4 modules, and in the first module we had learnt about the difference between data and information. Then what is the meaning of database, what are the common types of database, whether a company has to stick or whether a company sticks to only one type of database. Then in the second module we had discussed the meaning of DBMS, functions of DBMS, and database servers act as the backbone of data management and delivery, and the what are the various types of database servers. In the DBMS module 3 we had learned about the benefits and limitations of DBMS and how DBMS ensures concurrent access to data and the benefits of using a DBMS over traditional file-based system. And in the module 4 we had learnt about the acid properties in DBMS, what are the various components of DBMS, relational database model, its key concepts, what is primary key, foreign key, and composite key in DBMS. Now, in this current topic, the students will understand what are the current trends and future directions in database management system. The students will learn that cloud-based DBMS, big data and data security are the current trends, whereas the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data virtualization and blockchain technology are the future directions in database management system. And the future of database management system is very good, and the database management system technology is changing very fast so that it can come up to the expectations of the individuals as well as the organizations, as the organizations have to deal with large amount of data and the nature of data is also changing from time to time. The students will also understand the differences between SQL and NoSQL databases. The students will also learn why some companies use a combination of both SQL and NoSQL databases to store and retrieve data. They will understand that each database, whether it is SQL or NoSQL database, each database has its own strengths. The companies use the combination of both databases so that it can take the advantages of both the strengths of the both types of databases. On one side, SQL databases have acid properties compliance, whereas NoSQL databases are known for their flexibility. The students will also understand that the relational model ensures data integrity through various types of constraints such as integrity constraints, referential integrity, unique constraints, cascade and restrict actions, and acid properties. You will also learn, or you will also have some knowledge about the acid properties, for which we have already uploaded a full course. The students will also learn about the various data models to store data, which include relational data model, NoSQL data model, multi-model, hierarchical data model, network data model. The students will also learn about the various subcategories of NoSQL data models, that is object oriented, my document, in memory, or various other data models, graph data models. You will learn about the same or have an overview of the same. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.